Look how beautiful this wall tile is. We have a beautiful blue tealish cabinets with cherry accent and really amazing backsplash tile coming from here. In here, this space was actually boxed out and it was empty. But this is the beautiful tile backsplash that's going to be here, and the colors of the kitchen really were inspired by this tile. Hello, design enthusiasts. I am excited to have you back in Reston, Virginia. This time we are on the north side and we are working on a condo, full condo, top to bottom. Our lovely client literally is moving from the condo, just the building down the street, to here, and she's upgrading to a 3-bedroom apartment. The previous owner, the only thing they did was upgrade the floor. Everything else was builder grade, so really everything needed to be done. The fun part about this project is that she's actually not taking any furnishing. We're literally taking one TV and one chair. Everything else we had to design, create a vibe, create a story, and create a beautiful space for her. So let's go inside and see where we are. Come on in. All right, so I know it looks like a mess, but obviously it's a condo, so the guys need to work here. That's the good thing about the client not living here. They have plenty of space to do whatever they need without interrupting the neighbors. So let's start with her bedroom. We also have a little bit of the wall colors already done. Her bathroom is coming along, so let's see what's happening. All right, so we have this beautiful mauve color on the wall. This has already been painted. It's the first coat. We're gonna have some more. There is beautiful rug and furnishing that already starting to arrive. We're gonna have new window treatment. Pretty much everything that was here needed to go. In here, we're gonna have custom closet. Those are also coming very, very soon. So next time you guys are going to be back here, the closets are going to be installed. And let me show you this beautiful bathroom that is already, again, there are painting, patching walls. Of course, we're not keeping this light. And let me show you the beautiful tile. They're going to kill me, but it's okay. Look how beautiful this wall tile is. So it still needs to be grouted, of course. The niche, there's one more piece here that was broken, so it's being fixed. Again, we went from very soft and soothing colors for her condo to enjoy. Lots of flowery, very feminine, because why not? It's her lifestyle and she lives here, so she might as well enjoy it. So let's go see what else we have. So in this space, of course, we're gonna have beautiful new furnishing. This is gonna have a wall unit with a really bold wallpaper behind it. So I'm excited for you guys to see that coming up. We have a beautiful copper couch, new fan, new window treatment. So really everything is going. This has not been painted yet. That's the original color from the homeowner, so previous homeowner. So let's see here. This is a very small dining room, so I really had to work hard to figure out how we can really create a big impact. So we actually going to have a banquette sitting here. So this way you can actually have way more sitting available in a very, very small space. So let's see what else we're gonna have. Here we're gonna have a bar. So our client is a big beer fan. So, and that's, you know me, I love to have an extra bar fridge just so you can have the overflow for the refrigerator. So this way she can keep all the different beers that she's collecting in a separate refrigerator and not in her main refrigerator, which is also coming along. And I think the light here is still out here. Yep. All right. And this is the kitchen. So we have a beautiful blue tealish cabinets with cherry accent and really amazing backsplash tile coming from here. Refrigerator is going to be over here. And of course, I moved the pantry over here. So this way we have all the tall pieces over here with plenty of storage. And now we actually have good amount of countertop. This is the beautiful tile backsplash that's going to be here. And the colors of the kitchen really were inspired by this tile. I actually saw that tile in Spain last year, so I'm really excited that it's available in the US right now. And I knew that I had to use it in one of my projects, and I really was super excited that the client was absolutely in love in this style as much as I am. So I'm really excited to show you the progress once we have the cabinetry and how it all works together. All right, this is going to be the office and the secondary guest room. I'm really excited because we have a beautiful workstation over here and a really fun Murphy box bed. So it's really going to be very incognito and you only just need to open it, but it's not taking too much space. And of course, another custom closet over here with a lot of shelving. So maybe she's gonna put a lot of her running shoes in here. So, all right, more mess. So again, nothing much to see here right now. It's just a pile of furnishing that arrived. This room still needs to be repainted, new window treatment, and there's going to be a custom closet in here as well. Let me show you the bathroom. So again, just little super quick updates that really makes a whole lot of difference. So you know, you look at this bathroom, it's a small bathroom. There's not a lot of things that we can technically change in here, but little things are making the big impact. So number one is in here, this space was actually boxed out and it was empty. There was nothing there. It was just random. And the reason I knew that it was empty, because when I looked at the floor plan, some of the other units actually had a linen closet in here. So once we open and explore, we realized that this is actually empty. So we actually took it out. We are going to be a built-in linen pantry over here. And then we're gonna do a countertop here. So this bathroom is gonna be serving the guests. So there not to be a lot of frills, but it still need to be nice and comfortable and beautiful, because technically it's also the powder room. And of course, like every other condo, the more storage we can add, the better, because this is usually small spaces, especially in condos. The biggest problem is storage. So getting and finding that spot was absolutely gold. Here was a shower. For some reason, there was some drain issues. We fixed it. We added a light. You know, I love as much as light as possible. And as you can see, this beautiful red. No, it's not the tile. This is the Redgar. Redgar is actually the materials we put on top of the Duroc to make sure that you have another layer of waterproofing. So this has not been tiled yet. And again, there's a beautiful design coming here as well, just to make it a little bit special. This room is gonna be a little bit more on the green colors. So a lot of the colors here that we're gonna have in this condo, we have combination of earth tones with flowers, all the way from soft mauve purples to greens into copper. So I'm really excited to show you everything once we are done. But meanwhile, make sure you follow the progress. I think we have another 2-3 weeks until we're done here. They're really pushing hard to finish along. I already have the date scheduled for the cleaning lady, so they're definitely on the clock to make sure that this space is finished on time for the client to move in, because all she has to do is pack her clothes and move in, and it's going to be 100% ready for her. So that's it.